Hello everyone, this is SamanJ. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to take your DIY projects and artistic creations to a whole new level, then the cordless airbrush kit promised to be a game changer. In this video, I'll share my experience and insight into how this innovative tool performed in various aspects, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your toolkit. The design is really modern and comfortable to hold. It feels lightweight yet durable. Let's unbox it. Firstly, we have the instruction card. You can read all these instructions for a better understanding. Then the cordless airbrush. It works by using air from a micro compressor to optimize the paint. The paint comes out of the nozzle and picked up by air to be applied to the desired surface and area. And right here, this is where the magic happens. To get the air needed, a cordless airbrush uses a battery-powered compressor. Unlike a traditional compressor that needs main power, even with the small body, it can spray high thick liquid. It has two pressure levels to use with the long battery run times. It is lightweighted and easy to carry as well. The next is USB charging cable, which makes it more convenient to charge anywhere. Then it has airbrush cups that comes with different sizes, used as a container to hold the paint. And then we have the brushes. I guess it's for the cleaning purpose. Honestly, I don't know the exact purpose. And a little wrench in order to tighten some of the pieces up, and a dropper to drop the liquid paint into the containers. Now let's put everything together and see how it works. It has two pressure levels. By using this button, you can either increase or decrease the pressure as you like. It's a lot quieter than the regular compressors. It does have a continuous airflow coming directly out. Now let's put the paint in the container and see how it works. With the help of dropper, I am adding acrylic paints. You can use any kind of paint such as watercolors or oil paint. Now let's see how it works. I am testing it on a paper. You can test it even on the clothes or shoes or anything you want to color. It is really easy to use. Firstly, take off the cover, pour into the liquid, adjust the fixing spray amount, and pull out the trigger backwards gradually to come out the liquid. The performance of this airbrush kit is commendable. The quality of your work and convenience it provides makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about airbrushing. Performance-wise, it's 100% yes from me. I would definitely recommend it to everyone who wants to buy airbrush kit. This kit has the potential to unlock your creativity. Embrace the freedom of cordless operation and take your projects to the next level with the cordless airbrush kit. As my subscriber, you can get 40% discount on this product. Just click on the link in the description box and get 40% discount on this product. Isn't it amazing? And of course, you all know subscribing my channel is a must.